This is the main project file for ArchiCAD. It contains the 3D building model. You can use the free BMX viewer to explore the architectural design. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's walk through the building. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor PLN errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. The PLN format belongs to the data file category. All embedded resources are managed by the ArchiCAD Project File Format. A PLN file can refer to either an ArchiCAD project file or a flight simulator scenery file. In ArchiCAD, it stores a complete architectural project, including 3D models, 2D drawings, and associated data. For Flight Simulator, it defines scenery elements such as airports, buildings, and terrain features, enhancing the simulation environment. ArchiCAD's PLN files are complex, containing a hierarchical structure of building elements, attributes, and views. Flight Simulator, PLN files use a specific format to define the placement, properties, and behavior of scenery objects within the game world. Both formats are proprietary and require their respective software for proper interpretation. The PLN data container is optimally managed by ArchiCAD developed by Graphisoft. The file's loose formatting rules mean Windows cannot validate its structure. Windows can't decode structured data fully, so compatible tools are needed for comprehension. We're checking the integrity against known readers. Right-click your PLN file and click Open With. If ArchiCAD is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. You need to test widely. If the PLN file is still refusing to open, it's expected. When the initial application fails, we must assume a deeper problem. Let's jump into these 3 core diagnostic steps immediately. First, use ArchiCAD. Open the file using Graphisoft ArchiCAD, ensuring the version of ArchiCAD is compatible. PLN files are often not backward compatible. Next, check library path. Ensure all project libraries are loaded and accessible, as missing object libraries will prevent the project from loading. Finally, Audit and Repair. In ArchiCAD, use File, Open, select the file, and check the Open and Repair option to fix inconsistencies. If the initial fixes didn't work, we now know the file's resistance is extremely high. The only sensible path forward is trying a comprehensive universal tool. Stop wasting time on other tools. I recommend FileMagick, the universal viewer that works on the PLN format. Go to filemagick.com to download now. Welcome aboard to any new viewers. If you found this helpful, click subscribe and join our community. Wishing you success with your files.